Everybody, Jim King here. I'm getting ready to head to the swimming pool up north in Tiffany Springs Parkway. If you watched our videos on Facebook and seen the pictures that we posted, whoever built that pool didn't build it according to the specifications. It was supposed to be 12 inches thick of high strength concrete reinforced with 2 number 4 bars. And before we started removing the concrete, after we got all the King Pier holes sawed, the cores were, the deepest core we found was 9 inches. And then after we started tearing out the holes, the pool's about 6-8 inches thick average. So I contacted the owner and let them know that it's not what they said it was. But we're going to keep going, and we're going to keep proceeding with, we're going to lift that pool. And our piers are going to go underneath the wall. It's all poured monolithic, so when we lift the wall, and we're going to lift 2 pier holes in the floor, lift them all at the same time, lift it 4 inches, and I think we'll be good. So stay tuned for that. That'll happen next week. So I'm real excited about that. And that's about it. It's a beautiful day today. Absolutely gorgeous day. A little windy, but I can live with that. I got Lucy, my sidekick, here with me. And I'm videotaping this from a brand new GoPro that I bought last week just for this pool job. So anyway, things are looking great. We're loaded with work. After the pool job, we'll go to another job. We usually do about 2 to 3 jobs at the same time, and that's worked for us over the years. So, all right, this is Jim King with King Piers. Heading up north. I'll keep you updated. Thank you.